Here I have Nokia C12, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right. Okay. So you won't actually need this tool, like you might need it if you don't have long fingernails. As you can see, I have dirty, long, awful fingernails, so I can I can remove this back cover. So you just have to hatch it here, and like with some force you can remove it. So here you have SIM card slots and here you have SD card slot. So let's insert SD card here, just like this, and SIM card here. Here you have SIM slot 1 and SIM slot 2. So let's insert SIM 1. Then put back cover back on. And as you can see, it immediately requires pin code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. Here you can see issues with SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.